potato. Well, which one is good for which type of food? I know these bake well and make great mash. Well, how about these two? Some are waxy, some are starchy. There's many different varieties. Let's put it to the test because I want to make awesome baked potatoes. They've been seasoned with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and I was going to use onion powder, but I'm all out. Dried mint, dried oregano, and some olive oil. Make sure they're all nicely coated in the seasoning, like so. Then onto the big dish. Now that sucker there looks a little bit too big. I'm going to try another slice in here. They've all been cut pretty much at even sizes, and I've left the skin on so we're able to tell which ones are which. So the reds, that's red one sort. Now the trick is, once they're in the oven and baking, do not touch them. Do not try and flip them to cook on another side. Just let them be. As John Lennon once said, just let it be, let it be. Skin side up is always a good way to go. Gives the skin nice crackling, fries bottom, bakes the outer edges. So the whites, the brushed, kind of try to keep them all together so we know which is which. Here's another bit of brushed one, and the whites. Another brush. Now I'm going to stick these in the oven, and the oven is absolutely cranking to promote the best results. So in they go. Be back shortly. Ready to go. Now this is the whites. Look at that, nice and fried on the bottom. This is the brushed. And these are the reds. Now, I've already had a sneak taste to them. The whites are my favourite so far. Soft, tasty, just the right amount of salt on them. You could go a little bit more salt. They're really soft and moist. The brushed, a little bit more bite to it, slightly more chewier, and more earthy flavours. Nice potato. And the reds, ooh, look at that, caramelisation. A lot like the white, softer in texture, almost like a mashed potato inside of a baked potato. And earthy flavour like the brushed. For me, I think I'll choose the reds. The reds, but they're all good in their own way. But that's the way I do it. Coat it with oil, herbs, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. In the oven on a high temp. Fan forced mine is anyway. So it really helps to crisp them up. So far for the carb-free diet, but baked potatoes, mate, come on. It's my cheat day. Thanks for joining and watching. Like, comment and subscribe.